up in the Northeast, might not be a bad idea to grab your umbrella this morning. We got some rain that's moving across the region, and some of this rain could turn a little dark and scary. For example, look at Buffalo.
Oof.
Ugh, right? That's pretty
Wow.
intense. The wind coming right off the lake. Looks like a
Visibility
little
terrible.
grapple trying to mix in too.
Yeah.
Wow, look at
Man,
that
it's
video.
gray out there and windy.
So later today, we'll probably have the highest potential of experiencing isolated severe storms. Right now, the Fox Weather Alert System is clear. So for the most part, it's just inconvenient. But we do have a lot of rumbles of thunder over Lake Erie and Lake Ontario this morning. Spit of low pressures up into Canada, kind of sweeping this cold front across the Ohio Valley this morning, and it's moving towards the 95 corridor. There's a look at those thunderstorms right over the lake. So again, you just get a little more lift. The water temperatures in the lake, that difference between the air temperature and the water temperature kind of aiding in the convection this morning. But you know what? It's just kind of a slugfest this morning. Look at Syracuse.
Oof. Look at the upper right-hand corner. You can see the rain coming down for
And it's
sure.
48 degrees. I mean, there's nothing comfortable about that.
No, cold rain is the worst.
Cold rain is certainly the worst. It's like you'd rather it be even colder so you can have snow. Of course, that's not going to happen this go around. Storms that do turn severe today, it's going to be the strong straight line winds, possibly some small hail. But really, it's a wind issue. Classic setup for the Northeast, right?
Yeah, no kidding. And to your point, you talked about a messy commute this morning. Later today, that shifts a little farther east. Here's the timing for you. Fills over a good chunk of the state of Pennsylvania between 8 and 10 o'clock. And then by this afternoon, starting to see a few rounds of perhaps light showers over the I-95 corridor, but then some heavier rain right behind that. And then look at those lines that Britta just highlighted. That's the chance for some of those storms to produce some of those stronger winds as well. So you get some rain, and then right behind it, boom, you got a little more energy coming on in. This area of low pressure starts to close itself off, but it gets pushed out by something behind it, which is good, because sometimes these will linger for a while. But by the weekend, it'll be out of here. Wednesday, not all that great by the evening hours, or tonight, rather. Today's Wednesday.
Yes, today's Wednesday. 95 corridor, by the time the front gets to us later this evening, I mean, this is around 11 o'clock tonight, it kind of loses its severe components. That window for severe weather, I would say, would be like 2 p.m. to about 7 p.m.
Yeah.
So more of an interior issue. New York City, we got 71 degrees today. Behind the front, we are cooler. We're looking at temperatures by Friday getting back to the 60s. And as we close out our work week, we are going to keep it unsettled. There's a look at the cold front today. Then you'll notice that that area of low pressure transfers its energy to a coastal low by tomorrow around lunchtime. The computer models have been pretty consistent with the timing here. Most of the energy is offshore, so I wouldn't worry about it. I mean, Newfoundland is going to get some gusty winds out of it, but for us, it just keeps the clouds around, a couple shower chances, and then we have another frontal system moving in from the Great Lakes by Friday. So it's just kind of like, showers here, showers there.
Yeah.
Cloudy, cool.
But finally, the timing is great for the weekend for the Northeast.
Look at this.
Finally, we finally get a decent weekend. You're usually getting the bad weather during the weekend, but
we have a really consistent
96
stretch
on
of warm
Tuesday.
weather. Yeah,
Three 90s in a row.
We've been talking about the building
DC.
heat out west.
Yeah.
It's going to move east,
Yeah.
and there's proof in the pudding.
Wow. I think this is the first time we've seen 90s.
For that
DC.
many days,
For that many
it's
days,
3
yeah.
days in a row,
Right,
which
right.
in New York City, 3 days in a row of 90s is a heat wave. I'll have to check the stats for DC's local weather service, but
Every
New York,
office is different.
New York, 3 days in the 90s would be a heat wave. We're not going to be as hot here in New York. But DC, there you have it. Warm weather on the way.
All right. Well, on top of the storms that we are talking about across the Northeast, this Omega pattern we've been talking about as well continues to fuel the heat dome over the central portion of the United States. Dozens of record highs are possible across the region, and temperatures continue to soar, 15 to 20 degrees above average, and this comes after a relatively cool start to the month. But when you look at the big picture and you put it all together, a good chunk of the United States is experiencing some of the hottest conditions we've experienced to start of spring in quite some time. So this is, we go through today and into tomorrow with the Central Plains starting to warm up today. And we would talk about that Omega, basically doing this thing here. usually when that happens, it can last for weeks. This one is moving, so I'm calling it a flow, if you will, because yes, underneath that dome of high pressure, you've got some warmer temperatures. Look at May, though. Overall, when you look at May and the average, yes, we've had a couple of stretches where temperatures have been above average, but overall, when you put it all out, it has been below average for the central portion of the United States, the Ohio River Valley. As this area of high pressure starts to lift and move out of the desert Southwest, giving them some relief, thankfully. Then we could see some record highs over portions of the plains all the way to the eastern seaboard as we go through the weekend. 45-plus records possible here for the next couple of days. Today, look at these highs. Now, we talked about all the heat right here. You can see where everything is starting to shift here. We're at 84 in Minot. That's pretty significant. 94 in Amarillo.
91 in Billings.
I was going to say 91 in Billings, and there's a water, they've been talking about the hydration, they've been talking about the cycle out there, and the snowmelt in the highest elevations is going to be cold water. Anybody trying to find relief, it's not going to cause flooding concerns, but man, if you try to dip your toe in that water, it's downright cold. Shock to the system.
Well, and so many people like to kind of go up in the mountains to find the cooler air, but then you also find that cold. I mean, we're talking water temps in the upper 30s to low 40s. So that temperature disparity can be a huge health concern.
Yeah, look at tomorrow. 82 in Pierre, we got 97 in Lubbock, 93 in Dallas, and Dallas does start to pick up more in the way of the humidity, so it's sticky.
Heat.
Yeah, I mean, Wichita says, you know what, we're celebrating our nation's birthday, we're going to get early. It's going to feel like it. July 5th is what it will feel like at a 92 for Wichita. This is for the day tomorrow. Friday, more of the heat continues to expand out to the east as that area of high pressure slides to the east. Chicago at 84 on Saturday. Man, people are going to be enjoying that weather out there.
And you'll notice for Saturday, I mean, Friday we're in the 90s in Denver, 80s, and on Saturday we go back to the 70s. So you're looking at a 2 to 3 day stretch of the summer heat.
Yeah.
It's not a true blocked pattern where we're stuck underneath the heat dome for, 10 days, which will happen. I mean, eventually we'll get to the summer months and we will have that reality. So at least we can move the marker here. But this is early onset extreme heat. Your body hasn't been prepped and primed for it. Once we go into the peak of summer, you've had hot days under your belt. We haven't had this much heat just yet. So think about hydration, think about your kids. School is kind of getting towards the end. You might have field days that are happening for your little ones. So think about the health and safety tips. That's pretty